Hey y'all, welcome back. So I am home at my parents' house, and me and my mom wanted a change of scenery, so we decided to go to a coffee shop and work here for a few hours. Sat down, ready to start working. So I wanted to do two things. I wanted to look on LinkedIn and see some new jobs, and then I also wanted to film a video, or not film, I wanted to edit a video. And so I sat down, got everything out, just to realize I left my hard drive at my parents' house, and I'm so mad because it has all the footage that I wanted to edit. So I can't do any of the editing that I wanted to do, but I can look at jobs while I'm here. So I came home for Father's Day, obviously to spend time with my dad. But also, I had a pretty cool gift that I got to give my daddy, and that is thanks to today's sponsor, Costway.
Welcome to the shop.
The shop, everybody. You've been waiting, haven't you?
Yes. Over a week now.
The anticipation. This video is sponsored by Costway. So this is a mini AC unit. When Costway reached out to me to want to do a collaboration, I was really excited because this was perfect timing for Father's Day. And my parents had just been talking about how they wanted an AC unit for up in my dad's shop. And I was like, well, say no more. So we got him this gift from Costway. Costway has a lot of different products that they sell. So they feel like they sell pretty much anything. So furniture, outdoor furniture, kitchen appliances, home decor, bath products like cabinets and shower systems like sinks. They sell a lot of different things. So there's a lot of different things that you can get from them. And if you use my code, you can get 10% off of your order. So check that out in my description box. Now, as far as putting this together, this was by far one of the more technical things that I've had to build. And to be honest, this was a little bit above my pay grade. So Daddy did a lot of the work for this, and I was just kind of like project managing the project, to be honest with you. So Daddy did a lot of the work, but there was some things that even he wasn't sure how to do. So we did hire someone, an electrician, to come out and help us install do the wiring part of the job. But a lot of the manual type labor was done by Daddy, with me supervising, of course. There was one part that I helped with, so you have to tie up all the wires, and that's what Daddy's doing. But we had to put that through this hole in the wall, so I helped maneuver that through the hole while Daddy carried the actual unit itself. So this part was a 2-person job, but for the most part, Daddy did a lot by himself.
That's it.
What, is it in there?
Yeah.
It moved.
No, it didn't. It didn't move. Yeah, it's gonna do that. But ain't side to side, it ain't move.
Okay.
Dream killer.
I am not a dream killer. I come up here and try to help any way I
It
can.
moved. After a great accomplishment, it moved.
My parents are hilarious, y'all. I had to include that clip because we've been out here for hours putting this together, and Daddy gets it working, or Daddy gets it hooked up on the wall, and then Mama wants to come and be critical about something. Oh, they make me laugh so much. But from here on, it was pretty smooth sailing. And like I said, we had the electrician come out and do his job. So after that, it was up and running. So now that it's up, what do you think about it?
Oh, I loved it. Love it. Can't wait to enjoy it. Haven't felt cool air in here since the winter time, so it's gonna be pretty nice. Can't wait till to get 90 on Saturday. Come up here and see how it's gonna feel.
And again, we just want to say thank you to Causeway for sponsoring this video. Okay, y'all, so I am on LinkedIn and I wanted to show like a little trick that I found on a TikTok, I think. So, feels like a past life. Back when I was a 9-to-5 employee somewhere, I was a content designer. So up here, I am searching for content designer, and I just did remote, just for like privacy reasons to not show what city I live in. But there have been some people who think that I'm only looking for remote jobs. That is not the case. That's an ideal scenario. But if God tells me that I need to go back into someone's office, then that's just where I'll go. But yeah, ideally, I want to be remote. So I searched content designer remote. All these different positions came up. And then there's this filter for past 24 hours. So in today's job market, you want to be like one of the first people to apply for a role. So do past 24 hours and then it'll show you the results. But you can take it a step further. So up here and the link, and I guess you want to be on a computer doing this. But if you look at the URL, there will be a section that says 86,400. That is the amount of seconds in a day. So that's where we said, like in the filter, where we picked past 24 hours, there's 86,400 seconds in 24 hours. So if I do the math, how many seconds are in an hour? There is 3,600 seconds in an hour. So if I change this to, not the whole link, just this one part in the link. If I change it to 3,600 and press enter, it'll refresh. So now all I see are jobs that were posted in the last hour. So it's just a little trick that you can do to give yourself just a little bit more of an edge. So I've actually gone through and found multiple jobs that I want to apply for. This one wasn't posted in the last hour. This is actually 10 hours ago. And already over 100 people have clicked to apply, which is insane. But this is a content strategist role for Liberty Mutual. It is remote. Like I said, I found roles that aren't remote, but for the sake of privacy in this video, I'm only going to show the ones that are remote that I'm interested in applying for. You always want to apply on the actual company's website, so don't apply on LinkedIn. Find the company's website, and here it is. So this one is for Ford. It says Detroit or Dearborn, Michigan, which I think is near Detroit. But if you actually read the job description, it says this job is posted as remote, but also designated as hybrid with up to 3 days per week on site, may be required for candidates within commuting distance of our Dearborn office. So for me, it can be remote, so that's why I'm going to go ahead and apply to this. Okay, so this one is at Airbnb, an employee experience technical writer, but the pay range is 103 to 121. So yeah, found 3 jobs that I want to apply for. Let me go through the rest of these and see if I want to apply to them. So the rest of the jobs that I found, they're local to me, so I'm not gonna, share those here. But I found, let's see, sitting here at the coffee shop with Mama, I just found 20 different jobs that I want to apply to. So I'm gonna attempt to apply to all of them today. That's a lot. It's actually a lot of jobs to apply to, especially if I'm trying to make them like individual to each. Make my resume individual to each one. That is a lot to do, but I'm gonna do it. If you've seen other videos that I've done in the past, you know that I've talked about my job search tracker, so I'm still using that. This is inside of Notion. Let me show you. So this is the clip of that guy, that thing that went viral a few years ago where he was like, I'm going where the money resides. So I keep him up here as inspiration. And then this is my Bible verse that I've been using that's centered around, me trying to get a new job. God's going to give you back more than what you lost. Okay. I have the job title. I have the company, the salary range, if it's listed. I have different tags. So rejected because of lack of experience, first interview, second interview, the role's no longer available, rejected, no feedback, this will have a take-home assignment. Did I get to a third interview? Did the recruiter contact me? Offer received, offer accepted. No, no posting has either one of these about the offer received or accepted. Final interview loop. Resign from process. This, I have not done this. So this, I've had this template for a long time. So this is what I use like every year that I'm trying to apply for a job. So a few years ago, in a very different job market, I actually like removed myself from a process because I accepted another offer. That's a very long story, and I regret doing that. Anyway, long story. Team no longer hiring, rejected, or was this a referral? So these are all the different tags that I use just to keep track of everything. Date applied, response date, decision date, link to the job posting, and then like notes that I have about the job, notes about interviews that I can put, and then location. So for me, I do like in-person, hybrid, or remote. So that is how I am keeping track of everything and making sure that I like remember what I posted or what I applied to. So when you are like mass applying for jobs like this, it's really, really helpful to write down what jobs you've applied to, because you will forget. If you are applying to 20 jobs a day, like I just found 20 sitting here. So if you're applying to that many, you will forget what you're applying to. So it's really important to write it down. You don't have to use my template, but if you like the vibe or aesthetic of the template that I've made, you can go to my website and you're able to purchase it from my website. So y'all, it's been more than 4 months at this point of being unemployed, and unemployment, the benefits of unemployment for me are about to run out soon. They run out this month. So things are getting real. The pressure is getting worse, but everything will work out the way that it needs to work out. I'm doing what I can. I'm applying to jobs, posting on YouTube to make more money off of YouTube. So I'm doing what I can, and faith without works is dead. So I'm putting in my work and then handing it over to God, and God can take over the rest. So thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like the video, leave some comments down below. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss anything else. And I'll see you in the next video.